Hey everyone, it's Marcus here. And let me tell you, the future is looking pretty incredible. We're talking straight up sci-fi stuff, but instead of spaceships, it's all powered by lines of code and algorithms. That's right, we're diving deep into the world of AI. Specifically, 10 AI tools that feel like pure magic. These aren't your average apps. We're talking about next-level tech that can write stories, create art, and even read your mind. Well, almost. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just curious about the future, this video is for you. We're breaking down each tool, showing you exactly how they work and why they're about to change the game. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to have your mind blown because things are about to get really interesting. First up, we're kicking things off with ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. Now I know what you're thinking. Chatbots? We've all been there, stuck on hold with customer service talking to a robot that just doesn't get it. But trust me, ChatGPT is different. This isn't your average, did you try turning it off and on again chatbot? We're talking about an AI that can actually hold a conversation, and I mean a real conversation. It can understand context, remember previous interactions, and even generate different creative text formats. Think poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, you name it. ChatGPT can probably take a crack at it. And the crazy part, it's still under development. That means it's only getting smarter, more sophisticated, and more capable over time. So how does ChatGPT actually work? Well, it's built on a massive neural network trained on a ridiculous amount of text data. We're talking billions of words, articles, code, you name it. This allows it to understand human language patterns and generate text that's eerily human-like. But ChatGPT isn't just about casual conversation. It's already being used in a ton of different fields, from customer service and education to content creation and even therapy. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you write articles, generate creative content ideas, or even just brainstorm new concepts. And the best part? It's available 24/7, always ready to chat and help you out. Whether you're a writer, a developer, or just someone who loves exploring the cutting edge of AI, ChatGPT is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we're jumping into the world of AI-generated art with DALL-E, another mind-blowing tool from OpenAI. Now we've all seen those AI art generators that create interesting but often abstract images. But DALL-E takes things to a whole other level. This AI doesn't just generate random images, it creates images based on your specific text descriptions. And I'm not talking about simple shapes or basic objects, we're talking complex scenes, fantastical creatures, objects that defy logic. If you can describe it, DALL-E can probably create it. It's like having a personal digital artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your wildest imaginations to life. And the craziest part? DALL-E doesn't just understand the objects you describe, it understands the relationships between them, the context, and even abstract concepts like styles and emotions. So, how does DALL-E manage to create such mind-blowing art? Well, like ChatGPT, it's trained on a massive dataset of text and image pairs. This allows it to learn the relationships between words and visual concepts, essentially learning how to see the world through language. But DALL-E isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from advertising and design, to filmmaking and even scientific research. Imagine being able to generate realistic product prototypes, create stunning visuals for your next marketing campaign, or even visualize complex scientific data in new and innovative ways. DALL-E is a powerful tool that blurs the lines between human creativity and artificial intelligence, and it's definitely something you need to see to believe. Alright, so we've talked about AI that can write for you and create stunning images, but what about refining your own writing? That's where Grammarly comes in. Grammarly is like having a super-powered editor looking over your shoulder, except it's not judging, just quietly making suggestions. And the beauty of it is, it lives right in your browser. It helps you improve your writing style over time. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to communicate more effectively, Grammarly is a game changer. Isn't this just a glorified spell check? Grammarly is so much more. It understands context, like it has a plagiarism detector, ensuring your writing is original, and vocabulary enhancement, helping you sound sophisticated. It's user-friendly, easy to understand and implement, no need to be a grammar whiz. Grammarly elevates your writing and boosts confidence. Let's talk about Jasper AI. Jasper is like having a team of expert writers at your disposal. It generates high-quality content at scale. From social media captions to books, Jasper has you covered. Input your topic and keywords, and Jasper takes it from there. It uses machine learning to generate original content, and it's constantly improving. Jasper AI can seriously up your content creation game. What makes Jasper stand out among AI writing tools? The quality of the output is impressive. It crafts compelling narratives and adapts to different styles. Jasper focuses on SEO, integrating with tools like Surfer SEO. It ensures your content is optimized for search engines. Jasper has a built-in plagiarism checker. It ensures all content is original. Plus, it offers multiple output options. Jasper is ahead of the curve, constantly updated with new features and templates. Alright, let's talk about a tool that's changing the game for video creation: Synthesia. Imagine being able to create professional-looking videos with realistic AI avatars, without needing a camera, actors, or a big budget. That's exactly what Synthesia allows you to do. You start by choosing from a library of diverse AI avatars, or you can even create your own custom avatar. Then you simply type in your script, select your language and voiceover style, and Synthesia takes care of the rest. It's like magic, but with better resolution. It generates the video for you, complete with lip-synced audio and even realistic facial expressions and gestures. You can customize the background, add text overlays, and even include music or sound effects. This is huge for businesses, educators, anyone who needs to create engaging video content quickly and affordably. Now I know what you're thinking. AI avatars. Won't that look creepy? But honestly, the technology has come a long way. The avatars in Synthesia are incredibly realistic and fluid. Beyond the cool factor, Synthesia offers serious practical benefits. No more scheduling headaches or expensive video shoots, and no more language barriers. Create videos in over 60 languages and accents. Whether it's explainer videos, product demos, or training materials, Synthesia makes it easy to produce high-quality content. It's a game changer for video marketing. Alright, we're moving on to something a little different now. Replica is all about AI companionship. You're building a digital friend. But how does it work? Replica uses a generative, pre-trained transformer model. It learns patterns in human conversation, and generates natural responses. This isn't your old-school chatbot. Replica learns your style and interests. It's a constantly evolving experience, like having a friend always ready to chat. Now you might be thinking, an AI friend, what's the point? But Replica goes beyond just casual conversation. It can actually be a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. Think about it. How often do you have the chance to really dive deep into a conversation about your thoughts and feelings without any judgment? Replica provides a safe space to explore those things. It can also help you develop better communication skills. You're essentially practicing how to articulate your thoughts and feelings in a more structured way. And who knows, those skills might just translate to your real-life interactions as well. Honestly, Replica pushes the boundaries of what we think AI can be. It's not just about practicality or efficiency, it's about exploring the potential for genuine connection in the digital age. So, we've all used online translators before, right? But DeepL is playing a different game altogether. We're talking about nuance, accuracy, and preserving the soul of the original writing. DeepL leverages deep learning algorithms to understand context and tone. This results in natural-sounding translations, often indistinguishable from human work. DeepL consistently outperforms other giants in accuracy and fluency. It's a tool that breaks down language barriers for everyone. And the best part is, DeepL isn't just some theoretical tech marvel, it's already making waves in the real world. Businesses are using it to streamline international communication, expand into new markets, and even provide better customer support to a global audience. Imagine being able to instantly translate customer emails, product descriptions, or even legal documents with a level of accuracy that you can trust. That's the power DeepL brings to the table. There are even stories of authors and publishers using DeepL to translate their work for a wider audience, opening up new opportunities and connecting with readers across borders. DeepL is a testament to how far AI has come and the tangible benefits it can bring to our increasingly interconnected world. It's not just about understanding words anymore, it's about understanding each other. Let's be real, AI tools can seem pretty intimidating, especially for creatives who might not be coders or developers, but Runway ML is changing that game. This platform makes AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Experiment with AI models for video generation, style transfer, image editing, and 3D modeling. It's like having a whole studio of AI-powered creative tools at your fingertips. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. Runway ML takes care of all the technical heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on creating. But here's where Runway ML gets really interesting. It's not just a standalone platform, it's designed to seamlessly integrate with the tools you already use and love. You can easily import and export files from popular creative software like Adobe Photoshop and After Effects, making it easy to incorporate AI-powered effects and enhancements into your existing workflow. And because collaboration is key in any creative field, Runway ML also allows you to share your projects, experiments, and even entire AI models with others. Imagine the possibilities when creatives from all over the world can connect, share ideas, and build upon each other's work. Runway ML is more than just a tool. It's a community, a movement that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of art and technology. It's about empowering a new generation of creators to explore the uncharted territory of AI-powered creativity. Alright, moving on to number 9, we've got Copy.ai. Now, if you're anything like me, you spend a good chunk of your time creating content, whether it's social media posts, website copy, or even just brainstorming ideas. And let's be real, sometimes the creative juices just aren't flowing. That's where Copy.ai swoops in to save the day. This AI-powered copywriting tool can generate all sorts of content for you. Think blog post outlines, product descriptions, even those catchy Instagram captions we all strive for. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand, ready to churn out ideas 24/7. But it's not just about quantity. Copy.ai also focuses on quality. You can choose from different writing styles to match your brand's voice, and the AI learns from your preferences over time. So the more you use it, the more tailored the content becomes. Pretty neat, right? Now let's talk value. Copy.ai offers a free plan with limited features, which is a great way to dip your toes into the water and see if it's the right fit for you. But if you're serious about upping your content game, the paid plans unlock a whole other level of features and capabilities. We're talking unlimited projects, access to all the latest templates, and even priority support. And honestly, compared to the cost of hiring a full-time copywriter, Copy.ai S pricing is incredibly reasonable. It's like having a whole team of writers at your disposal, but without the hefty price tag. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Copy.ai can be a game changer. It takes the hassle out of content creation, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, growing your brand and connecting with your audience. And in today's digital landscape, that's more valuable than ever. And last but not least, we've got Lumen 5, an AI-powered video creation platform that's about to blow your mind. We all know video content is king these days, but actually producing high-quality videos can feel like a daunting task. Lumen 5 completely changes the game by making the entire process shockingly simple and intuitive. Remember how we talked about Copy.ai generating different types of content? Well, Lumen 5 takes those words and transforms them into engaging videos. You can paste in a blog post, a script, even just a bunch of bullet points, and Lumen 5 will automatically create a video storyboard with relevant visuals and music. But it doesn't stop there. You can customize every aspect of the video, from the font styles and colors to the transitions and animations. They've got a massive library of stock footage, images, and music tracks to choose from, or you can upload your own. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like something that requires serious editing skills, right? Wrong. Lumen 5 is designed for everyone, even if you've never edited a video in your life. The drag-and-drop interface is incredibly user-friendly, and the AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. And the best part? Lumen 5 integrates seamlessly with all your favorite social media platforms, so you can share your creations with the world in just a few clicks. No more spending hours wrestling with complicated editing software or breaking the bank on expensive video editors. Lumen 5 puts the power of video creation in your hands. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone who wants to share their story with the world, it's a game changer in the truest sense of the word, and that's why it's earned its spot on this list. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. Catch you in the next one.